Welcome back to the tier without subtitles at 5. This will be turning out to be a good video. We got a Via 88 coming in. We'll be, as you can see over here, they got a restricting signal under the siding because 87's is like 20 minutes away. It's like 9:05 right. 9:02 right now. Coming in at this train coming in at like 9:05, and then this train and the other train only coming in at like 9:25 p.m. And if most rail fans are familiar, Via 88 on Fridays has got a J train Via 83. So this can be proven to be a good catch. F40 on 88. I missed a couple of surprises on the 88J train, so because I missed both 908 and 6437. Which are my models. So I hope this proves to be a good one. We got 6455 on lead. Via 88. It's gonna get pretty loud. The Bud and LRC mix. Another classic on the 88J train, the Bud and LRC mix. That's just a little... okay. We're good. Via 88, 6455. We'll be on the siding today. Because they'll be later meeting, $64.55 J-Train.
Your attention, please. This is the final boarding call for Via train number 88, bound for Toronto. It stops at Kitchener, Guelph, Georgetown, and Brampton on track number 1.
Not quite far enough yet. Then we'll pause because they are ready to go. They are stopped and we're ready to go. We'll pause. The V88's ready to depart. I see something good. Watch the next coach, Andrew. Watch. Guess what it is? It's 3305. So this one's for you. See that? 3305. The 3357. We're up to 40 on the end. 3303. 6416 on the end, guys. Awesome! 6416. Awesome. So 6455 and 6416. Awesome. Now we're gonna pause and wait for 87. I'll be right back. I'll just wait for it to go away here. Nice surprise on Route 6416. And we'll see ya. We'll see ya for 87. The meet is occurring, guys. 87.
What's up, Buttercup? Hello, sunshine. About time they brought you down here.
Here's the meetup.
Visit with family in Brampton there. Listening to the Golden Girls.
Yeah, they're talking about yesterday's Amber Alert over the radio.
Yeah, 383 at a broken knuckle.
If anyone did not hear about the Amber Alert last night.
Put them back together.
And 383 had a problem as well. Looks like CN 383. And I actually caught CN 383. If you want to go back to that video that I caught in Brantford, I caught VS76 and CN 383. So, and I was right, 6401.
This is the final boarding call for via train number 87.
So 88, 87, 88 should be having a slow to clear signal in a little bit here.
London, Stratford,
So the meet is done,
on track number 1.
and they got a slow to clear signal.
S'il vous plaît. Dernier appel pour l'embarquement via numéro 87 à destination.
88 got a slow to clear.
Looking at tickets on 79.
Marys, London, Stratford, et
And then head end for 87 for the doors on the right hand side. It's also coming.
That's 87 now. Okay, doors. Stop here in Stratford. Thank you. Right side of the top Stratford.
6401. This was what I was anticipating. 6401. So close to 3360. Wait for the signal knock, 3321. 5 cars. So we can wait for the signal knock. We can't even get. There we go. Here we are. We'll pass.
Just to let you know, Bruno, we got 3 people for car 5. We did not get the person for car 3, over.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks, Evan.
Well, I just don't know what that was I just heard. Here goes V87. Like an hour and 30 minutes late. 6401. This last coach here is 3342, so keep that in mind. It's like Let me tell you, it is like, it's been a crazy day of rail fanning with the meat. Like this train came in at like 9:30, when it's supposed to be here at 7:53, and they are just about to be ready to go. Secure and indication. So here we go.
Engineer 87, all the doors are closed and closed. Alright, close secured, here we go.
Just about to be ready to go.
Location 8881 crossing activated.
I just saw this on the axle here. Like this is what I saw on the axle. Like might be some reasonable purpose for that. And trains are done for the day. After the late one tonight. That was a long one last. And after this late night 9 o'clock p.m. video, thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, activate the notification bell. Oh, it was fun today. And I better admit that it was a lot of fun today. And I'll see, and nice bonus for you guys for the 88 and the meat. I will see you all in the next video. I'm gonna clear the crossing here. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.
M8881 crossing deactivated.